that gear down there. And that was stripped. There's a drive shaft that goes back and drives the pistons. So in order to work on that, both of these assemblies had to come out, and then all the casing had to come off to get access to solder the end of that beveled gear. So it's all going back together now. There was no wiring, so I just got done. I found the double pole, double throw switch off of another tank that I've mounted onto it. It's a mess right now, but this thing's going to be awesome when it's done. I have never seen this variation of the Yonezawa.